Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna wrap up this project by getting all the bodywork done and getting the roof painted. Okay, so metalwork's done. Now it's time to slap on some filler. It's kind of a warm day, so we need to work fast. Meaning I gotta mix this up quickly and I gotta slap it on the metal, fairly quickly because this stuff's gonna start setting up quick. This whole time I was using body filler. There's a bunch of different ones, but this is a heavier filler that's more filling, I guess. I'm about to do the last coat and I'm gonna use icing. There's Dolphin glaze or this stuff. This stuff was cheaper than Dolphin, so I got it to try it out and it works good. It goes on pretty thin, and then it's self-leveling, so it levels out quite nicely, and mainly it's going to take care of all the smaller imperfections, and also a lot of heavier scratches will get filled by this stuff, and this is going to be my final coat. Okay, so the primer is nice and dry and the panel is nice and flat. The transition is going to be right in this area. I'm not going to be painting the whole roof because, it's just a waste of materials and time. So I'm going to do my clear blend somewhere, probably in this area on both sides. And then another thing I'll be doing is I'll be spraying this bumper. So this bumper is not original to the car. As you can see, it was used. I bought it this way. It's got a lot of scratches. All of it is just mostly all superficial, and it'll come off with just some basic prep work. The way it goes is I went over this area with 600, so I ended my 600 scratches right about here. So now I'm gonna continue on. I'm gonna kind of feather this out with 800 grit paper out to about here, just not much further. So this way, when I will cover all of this up with base coat, I'm gonna kind of feather my base in right about here in this area. That's where I'll do my clear blend. So I want my 800 grit scratches about here, then I'm gonna hit this area up with about 1,000 and out here with about 3,000. So this way I'm gonna lay down one coat of clear over, so my base is gonna end here, about here, give or take. First coat of clear will end here, second will end here, and then from here on out, I'm gonna use a clear blender. I'm just gonna feather it in, and it's gonna smooth out that transition, so you won't even see nothing past here. I mean, it'll look like it's the way it was from the factory. Well, at least that's the plan. bumper looks like after about 20 minutes of sanding. As you can see, most of the stuff that you were able to see earlier, it's all gone. There are no more scratches. So the bumper is still wet. Once it dries, you'll be able to see some imperfections here and there. However, once it'll get re-cleared, you'll probably be looking at the same, well, you are going to be looking at the same picture you're looking at right now, which is going to be nice, wet, glossy finish, and you're not going to see much wrong with it. Push the canopy back so you guys can get a little better idea as to how it turned out. And repair turned out real good. No waves, no nothing. It's just nice and smooth. Same thing on the other side. You can kind of see where the transition stopped right at the end of the sunroof there, and it's just, yeah, we got some dirt there and stuff. But you know, at the very most I may just polish this area up on both sides just a bit, and that'll do it. So yeah, another successful repair. Car is all done and put together, and this is what it looks like. And as I said, the only thing I did is I just laid down some clear over this bumper cover. There's a couple of small spots on the very bottom where somebody scraped the bumper in the past, but that's the only spot where I applied some base coat. Other than that, it's just clear coat all around, and it took care of all of the scratches. And this is what the roof looks like. And I don't know if you guys can see, I sure can't. So this is the transition. The only thing I did was just polished out these areas just a bit on both sides. It looks perfect. Can't tell. Guys, once again, thanks for sticking around. I have a lot more content coming up, so make sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you very soon.